Oh, this is so good.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making healthy oatmeal breakfast cookies because I usually like to eat oatmeal every morning for breakfast, but because it's getting so hot outside, it's too hot to eat oatmeal. And because I've been making cookies nonstop for the past week, thanks to my bake sale, I was able to raise $700 for Stop AAPI Hate, which is awesome. And so I guess I'm on a big cookie kick. We're just gonna keep on making cookies because you know what? I'm pretty good at it. Those cookies are very good. Anyway, we are also making a healthy recipe this week because I've also been eating cookies nonstop for the past week. So I need a break from all the sugar. I already have my oven preheated to 350 degrees and let's go over our ingredients. We have 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, 1/2 cup of almond flour, 1/2 cup of maple syrup, 1/4 cup of almond milk, you can use any non-dairy milk, 1/2 cup of almond butter, again, you can use any nut butter. This is 1/3 cup of chopped walnuts and pecans. This is your chance to add any mix-ins you like. You can use dried fruit, you can use chocolate chips. 1.5 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1/4 cup of coconut oil melted. Yes, I spilled a little bit everywhere. Sorry. And 1/2 teaspoon each of cinnamon, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Oh, and 3 very, very ripe bananas. First, we are going to add our chia seeds and almond milk together. This is going to act like a binder in our cookies because there's no egg. Just give them a little stir, and then we are going to let this sit while we do the other ingredients. Also, you could smear this on a pot and make a chia head. Remember when those were a thing? Next, we are going to whisk together our dry ingredients. That means our oats, our almond flour, and the baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Just give them a quick little stir to make sure they're all combined, and then we're gonna set this aside. Now we are going to combine our wet ingredients, starting with our bananas. These are extremely ripe, a little bit gross looking. Got fruit flies flying around and everything. That's how you want it because they are going to be nice and sweet. We're gonna add it to our bowl, bruises and all, because they're just gonna get mashed up anyway. Okay, using a fork, I am going to mash my bananas. Now I am going to add my coconut oil, almond butter, and the maple syrup. We're gonna give this a good mix. And let's add in our chia seeds. Like they're like little alien eggs or something. Now we are going to add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. If your oats are certified gluten-free, this recipe is vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, and refined sugar-free, and soy-free. I like to mention that because apparently I can't eat soy. Then finally, I'm going to add in my mix-ins. I have my baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and I am going to use my large cookie scoop to scoop out large cookie mounds. And these are going in the oven for about 20 minutes or until the bottoms start to turn brown and they are crispy. Our cookies are done and they smell so good. Usually vegan cookies are pretty delicate, so you do want to let them cool completely before you eat them or else they'll crumble in your hands. They are still nice and soft and a little bit warm, but we're gonna dig in. Ooh. It's a little bit crispy on the outside, but they're so soft and moist. They are definitely sweet enough. I don't feel like I'm eating a healthy cookie. And now I can eat cookies for breakfast without feeling guilty about it. And because I don't think Derek's gonna eat any of these, they're probably too healthy for him. They freeze really wonderfully. So then I can just eat 1 or 2 whenever I want. Thank you guys for watching this week. We made healthy oatmeal breakfast cookies. If you want to see some unhealthy cookie recipes, I will link my recipe for oatmeal raisin cookies as well as the churro cookies I made last week, which are still, I think, the best cookies I've ever made. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, check out the links below. There's lots of cool stuff down there, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.